Here we have a Vespa, and here we have a bullet light. Comes like this. I don't know if you can see it there. The problem is mounting it. It has a sticky tape right on the back, and you can see how small it is. It's like my little finger, so it's really quite a nice little light to have, LED, and I've got the modulator that's going to make it sparkle like, or twinkle like a star. So I have a running light here, my headlight there. This I'm going to change to LED running lights. See another video on this. So what I want to do is I want to mount these here or here somewhere, but you'll notice that everything is curved on the Vespa, so there's really no way to mount it. So what I've done is I've made a little piece. I went to a machine shop, and it's got a tapped in 1/4 inch for bolting through this plastic, so that I can then basically stick this through here and mount this on this part right here, like that. And then put this on here. So if we look at it, this is what I intend to do on this, is put a piece of two-sided tape, and I still have a bolt, so the bolt's going to hold it on really securely, and the tape will stop it from moving up and down. And I think I'm going to have it here. I could put it here, but I have an LED light here, so it may not be as visible than down here. So I'm going to put it here like this. Now before I mount it, this is machined out of aluminum at the machine shop, and I'm going to bring it to a car paint shop. Now they paint black on a regular basis, so I'll paint black so it'll go like this and it won't stand out. I'd love to paint it the same color as that, but it would cost me a fortune for them to do a special job like that. So I'll do black, and it'll just stick out a little bit. You'll hardly notice it when it's black, and that's that. So then this fairing, we'll see later. Hang on a sec, I'll just move the camera. Okay, so once we have this mounted here with this light, the wire will go up inside this fairing, and this piece is one plastic thing, so it's going to come off, and my electrical connection is right over here. So I'll be able to bring one on each side, bring the wires up and tuck them under here, bring them over there, and tap into my power plug here, which goes on when I turn the power on. So they'll be constantly on. They draw hardly any power anyways. So that's the plan. I'll show you the Posi-Taps. Posi-Taps are really cool. I don't know if you can see this, but you basically tap right into the power. Now this is a big one. Obviously I'm going to be using a smaller one for this job, but to show you how the inside of the Posi-Tap will just power wire, so I don't destroy the wire. And what's also nice about this is this unscrews with my wire that goes inside, okay, so that if I have to remove this in the future, I can just unscrew this from my electrical without having to worry about a soldered wire that won't come off and allow me to take this off to work on at a later date. So that's the plan, and I'll get back to you after this is painted, and we'll film the installation itself, and we'll have 2 running lights, and then we got to figure out what to do with the backwoods.